Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkoor Ali. Have you ever wondered what really happens when you use Afterpay with Cash App? Sure, it lets you split your payments, but how does the whole system actually work behind the scenes? In this video, we'll break it down in simple words. From who pays to store upfront to how your payments are processed through Cash App. Let's take a clear and easy look. Afterpay is a buy now pay later platform. When you use it, you're able to buy something now and pay it off in 4 parts over 6 weeks. Here's what's interesting. The store gets paid in full right away, even though you're paying in parts. So who pays the full amount to the store? That's where Afterpay and its internal system comes in. Let's say you buy a $200 item using Afterpay through Cash App. Afterpay pays the store the full $200 upfront, minus a small fee, usually around 4 to 6%. You only pay $50 today using the Cash App card, which you've connected to Afterpay. Then, Afterpay schedules the next 3 payments, one every 2 weeks, and charges your Cash App account automatically. If you don't have enough balance in Cash App, it tries your linked bank account or card. So in short, Afterpay takes the risk, not the store. Cash App is just the tool to make the payment, like a digital wallet. Here's another key point. Both Cash App and Afterpay are owned by the same parent company, Block Inc. Because of this, they've built a system where the two platforms can talk to each other smoothly. When you connect your Cash App card to Afterpay, it works just like any debit card, but the backend is more integrated and secure. That's the full system of how Cash App Afterpay works behind the scenes.